Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome to Friday. We made it to Friday, guys. Hey, here's the analysis. It's what a lot of people are trying to figure out, guys. You know, weekend's coming up, 3rd and the 4th. Are we going to hit $1,400 on Ethereum over the weekend? Are we going to have a weekend sell-off? Is next week going to be really bullish because we're at support? I'm going to go over all the analysis to kind of give you guys the best look at Ethereum because it's going to be controlling a lot of the altcoins. So let's get going, guys. We're currently sitting at 122 wins and 1 loss. That 1 loss is on Luna. Besides that, we've been undefeated in our trades. We still have the healthiest YouTube account we can find anywhere. Out of 150,000, which was our break even, we're at 73,000. It may seem like we're down a lot, but honestly, guys, if you're watching this, a lot of people have lost everything they've owned already in crypto. And unfortunately, some people who leveraged in, lost everything, got in, probably again, on this move up here, if you over leveraged yourself, you lost everything twice. So really sorry for you guys who are doing that. We're going to try to teach you how to be really safe on this channel with your money while still making profits. Our scalping entries, which I'm going to show you guys a scalping entry today on Ethereum, we have done 6 for 6 trades for 24% profit since May 18th. We have an open position on Solana, and I'll show you guys a great position to get into on Ethereum today. But make sure you guys go through the whole list and you guys look for those setups because there are a few setups here that are very, very nice today. If you guys want to learn how to trade that strategy, go to the front page of tradeconfident.io. Click this right here. Outside of Luna, we have won every single one of our scalping trades, so make sure you guys watch that. That's where all the money is being made, guys. It is where all the money is being made. Okay. Let's just get serious about this. We have 3 zones that you all need to be mocking up on your charts. I hope you guys are doing this. We've got a top resistance from 2110, and it moves up here to about 2151. Okay, that is the top resistance you need to have. We have a middle resistance here, which the top is going to be about 1896, and then we have exactly at the bottom here about 1861. I know I'm just getting really precise in here. We need to pull exact wick values of highs and lows in here. We also have a support zone that is sitting right about 1737, and then we've got the bottom of the support zone at about 1703, about 1700. Okay, this is what people are watching this morning. If we come down to this zone here, people are going to be looking for what's called a triple bottom bounce. This is the 1, 2, 3 bottom bounce. Now, here's the thing you guys need to learn about this. The more touches you have on a support, the weaker that support becomes. Okay? Do you guys get that? A double bottom is very predictable because we have the first point and the second point, but it gets weaker as we start hitting this more and more and more. It doesn't mean it can't go back up, but it just means it gets weaker. Okay? If we break this, we need to come over here to the 1-day time frame and we need to look at where the next greatest support is. And if we look at this, it's back in 2017 of December, okay? It is over here, and we're going to be looking at this basically December 17, January of 2018, and it's right at about $1,400. So let me put a horizontal line here, and then I want to move back over to the 4-hour time frame, okay? Horizontal line right there. That is where people are looking at for the next move back down because it is the strongest level of support. So based off your guys' money in your accounts, can you guys withstand a move down here? Let me give you guys the exact percentage here. We could be seeing about another 20% drop on Ethereum, which altcoins will probably bleed about 20 to maybe 30% based off their lower price structures. Okay, so are you okay handling another potential 20 to 30% drop in the market? You need to be, because that's not out of the picture. Bitcoin can still go get down to $20,000. I still believe we're going to hit 36,000 before we hit 20,000. I'll go over that later, but you guys need to be watching this. Okay, let me get you guys into how to make money on this move down right now. This is a very good scalping setup right now, so all of you guys can see this. You are going to use the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion for this. When you guys see trend exhaustion in the bottom red section and you guys see the well money flow low like this, you can look back over here when we got low on the trend exhaustion, but this is not low on well money flow. It's super high up here. Okay, let me come out here. This will actually show it to you guys a little bit better if you use the exact arrows here. So it's actually more right about this area. Well money flow being low like this, trend exhaustion being the bottom red section, those are your first 2 confirmations for a really good scalping entry. Let me show you your other 3. This is how you guys can win these a lot. And this is a very good scalping setup, by the way, because you've got a triple bottom, and you've got this very low looking for the move back up. We saw this last time when we got down here. We saw the move back up, okay? Get these indicators, guys. They're in the description. They're 82% off, 82% off. So you guys can start scalping these, okay? Come over here and look at this. Go to the crypto charts, scroll down here to Ethereum, and we're going to dive into our third confirmation. Our first is trend exhaustion in the bottom red section. Well, money flow lows number 2, and we're looking for number 3 being the emotional index. Are we in the anxious or fearful? We are dipping just down into the anxious, and this is updated yesterday, and our metrics will update this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So about an hour and 3 minutes exactly, because it's 6:57 right now, this will update. This will be pushing down because the market moved down. This is a third check that Ethereum is a good entry. Now let me show you guys the other checks, and we'll go over the other metrics here. The fourth check is we need to make sure that the favor is in our side. The favor is on our side, guys, for a good or great long trade. That is a 4 out of 4 confirmation. And then we're going to look down here and we're going to make sure Wells institutions are at least buying in here and they are going for long trades. That is 5 out of 5 confirmations. Ethereum is an incredible setup for a scalping entry this morning. Now, how much are you going to scalp this for? You guys are only going to be looking based off our strategy. It is 3 to 4%. So let me show you guys where 3 to 4% is. If you guys get in here, and let me actually do this so we can keep this mocked up on the chart. You guys can watch this during the video. And if you guys are watching this morning and you're seeing this down here, you guys are already in the profit if you guys snagged this before I came on this video. So good job for you guys doing that. 4% is going to be sitting right about here. It's a little bit lower, but I'll just mock that up. The nice thing about you guys getting in now is that 4% is below the most present resistance. It's not the highest resistance, but it's the middle resistance. And that is good because you want to get out before the structure here because that's going to act as basically a drop point in the market. So that's all you guys are looking for is that 4%. Okay, let me continue here and then I'll go over the metrics. With this type of strategy here, you need to use good risk management, guys. All of you need to. Now watch this. $1,400 here. Let's go back over here and we're going to look at the buy limits you're going to use with this strategy. So if you guys enter in right now, based off the credentials we just had, the 5 things you were looking for, let's say you guys want to use 3 buy limits because if you take the high and you take the low of a currency, if you take the high, divide it by 2, and you're currently below the halfway point, then you guys are going to look to use 3 buy limits. Okay. If you guys use 3 buy limits, you're going to have a market order in right here. And let's say you use $1,000, you'll do $333 here. Your second buy limit, well, let's call it your first buy limit because you're going to market order at the first one. Your first buy limit is going to be down here. And then your second buy limit is going to be down here. You're going to spread your money out, guys. That is how we don't lose trades. It's because we spread our money out because 1,400 could absolutely come. And if we're just a little bit below that, and if 1,400 gets broken, guys, you still have money down here. It is possible to still go back down to 0. It is. I know people don't like to hear that, but it's possible. Do you know for a fact that Ethereum is not going to go down to $1,000? Can you bet your whole life savings on it? No, and I hope nobody is, okay? Because you do not know that. A lot of people did that with Luna, and it went to 0. And it got delisted. So I hope nobody's doing that. You do not know if your coin's going to come delisted. You don't know if something's going to happen to your project. Please, guys, for now on, you must use risk management, all right? So if you guys get in here for Ethereum, use at least these 2 buy limits down here if you're going to market order in here. This will keep you guys safe in this trade if the market moves down. If you hit your first buy limit, your break-even entry is going to go here. If you hit your second buy limit, your break-even entry is going to go here. Okay, that's all you guys are doing here. Look for 4%. Let me show you guys how to calculate your break-even entry, just so you guys can see this. Come to resources, come over here, and you guys are going to look at the break-even calculator. Okay, what you guys are going to do is place your market order price right here on the top, and then how much you invested. Keep these blank. Only when you hit your first buy limit and you have the amount that you invested, plug it in here. Then, once you guys do that, it will give you guys your break-even price. You take your break-even price, guys, and you times it by 1.04. And that is where you guys find your take profit. It is only 4% you guys are looking for in this market, okay? So there is the setup today, and I will be tracking this once the video comes out for a 4%. This one and Solana are currently active. Okay, let me go back over now and show you guys some more metrics of where I think Ethereum is going to go. I want to just start these videos. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. At minimum, subscribe here and to our metrics and our pricing. You guys can see all of it here. $95 a month, access all the metrics I'm about to go over. the Telegram entries and exits, the masterclasses, community chat, and I'm going to go live with you guys every single month. This is where you guys want to be. One, to start the video to make money for you guys. Now let me talk to you guys about the metrics of where I think we're going to be heading. This is very important. Take a look at long versus short trades here. Long trade volume has increased, and this is based off yesterday, so watch the update this morning, which is now in 58 minutes because it's 7:02. Okay? Long trade volume increased and short trade volume moved out. Okay, this is more of a bullish sign here that people are looking to buy the dip, and they're looking to buy as this moves back up. Okay, now let's come down here and let's take a look at the market cap strength. The market cap for Ethereum, when the price goes down, it absolutely crashes. There's something very, I want to say interesting. It's actually really strange right now that's happening. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but Bitcoin's dominance, the market cap strength is continuing to rise while Ethereum's is dropping. It is very interesting. Again, let me show this to you guys again so you can get a visual picture. Watch this. See how much this has gone down? It crashed here, went up with price, and crashed back down, okay? Come over here and look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin over here, on the other hand, is actually seeing this ridiculous move up here. People are shifting their money into Bitcoin. Now, that may not seem weird to some of you guys, but here's why I think it's strange and there's something going on here. In a market like this, where people are bearish, why are they not putting their money into stable coins, guys? Why is it not going in there more than Bitcoin? Did you guys hear what I just said? Why is money not going in? If people think it's going down here and it's going to be crashing, why is the money going to Bitcoin? Why is it going over here? I'm still trying to figure this out. Something weird is happening over here where we've got these big institutions on this consolidation pattern right here. They are throwing their money into Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going to just take off here soon and leave Ethereum and other coins behind, and that's why they're piling up their money here? Potentially. It could be, guys. You guys hear about the spot ETF that I've been telling you guys about. If the spot ETF comes out, guys, people will throw billions and billions of dollars into Bitcoin, and it could leave some altcoins behind, and it could become what's called uncorrelated, where Bitcoin takes off. This is what you guys should be watching. This is very interesting, more so than maybe anything else I covered today. Why is the dominance going so high on Bitcoin, and our second parent coin, if we want to call this Ethereum, is continuing to drop with price? That's something very interesting is going on there, okay? Heading down here, let's just continue down here. Well, institutional smart money looking for this little buy in the market. It's so interesting, guys. It was moving back up here, and I'll be honest with you. I was like, man, I think we're going to finally head up here a little bit higher. And then I come out here in the morning, and I look at this, and it's like, well, Wells and institutions are looking to short this thing. Right after that, we see the drop back down. So watching this metric will help you guys stay on the right side of the market. This spot where everybody thought we were going to crash, look at how much purchase aggressiveness came out on the orange bars here for long trades. That's where the jump in Ethereum was, guys. That was the jump over here. Use these metrics to trade with favor. It will help you guys simply do one thing, which is what you're all trying to do, is we're all trying to make more money. Okay, that's what the metrics are going to help you. And you can access this on every one of our coins. Okay, support and resistance. Kind of went over this already, but I wanted to show you this so you can get a better visual. The first resistance is going to be 1857, right around there, okay? It's just at the structure high here. The next support is at $1,400, guys. I know someone can come over here and they can probably argue, okay, the next greatest support is actually right here, and it's going to be over there at about maybe 1,500. Yeah, I could potentially see 1,500, but if it's going to go down that low, guys, everyone's going to be watching 1,400. I wouldn't doubt if you just get a wick value down here and you hit 14. So I'd rather prepare you guys for 1,400 than thinking 1,500 and this massive bounce is going to come. So just want to keep you guys prepared for that. All right, moving down here, I'll show you guys a trade setup here, but we basically went over the scalping trade. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys are putting money in the market, this is a great place to be looking for a metric whenever you guys get a green line looking to put some money in. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Please understand that. I'm not licensed in my jurisdiction at all. This is entertainment purposes only. I have to say that. But I have people out there who are watching this metric, and they're putting money in on every green line, and they're just consistently dollar cost averaging down, dollar cost averaging on the hodl positions, and they're just holding for 5-10 years. And they're like, look, I think the crypto market's coming back. I'm just going to use this metric every morning. And literally, guys, if you want to check this every morning on your favorite cryptos and put money in, that's what you guys can do. The entries for crypto, guys, they're going to update on 6.3 because we're currently at 6.2. You guys can use this. I personally recommend, instead of using the big strategy this morning, I recommend going in and actually using the scalping entries. So again, if you guys watch this, this is taking off like crazy, this scalping strategy, because we literally have called out for you guys. This channel has made you guys 24% profit since May 18th. Okay, 6 trades in a row that we've won, and Solana is our 7th, and now we're looking at Ethereum as being our 8th, okay? Watch this video right here. You need the indicators and membership. So here's the deal. Indicators right now, you guys are going to get them 82% off, okay? All of our indicators you're going to get. The 2 that you really need is trend exhaustion and price response money flow and trend dashboard. These are the ones I use every single day on my YouTube analysis. These 3 indicators are more expensive than buying the bundle pack. We have this thing discounted because we just said, you know what? If you guys are going to pay for something, we're just going to give everything to you. 2 Forex indicators, never coded on TradingView before. We've got the pressure gauge over here that is just absolutely amazing, and it calls huge market moves. Use it responsibly, okay? So as you guys are getting this bundle pack, watch this over the weekend. Set these up. Understand how to use them because I have videos for each of these that you can watch, and snag this because this is one of the best deals that we have for the bundle packs, okay? 82% off is pretty massive. Once you guys do that, come over here to the membership and snag this for yourself. $95 a month is very, very cheap, guys. You see the testimonials coming out over here where people are making a quick $200 on our AVAX call. Guy took $150, turned it into $3,000 with leverage, and he is using our indicators. Okay, $5,000 in a single week. You guys see this over and over again. I'd say this is so many times on this channel over here. This guy, won 4 trades in a row in 2 weeks, 4% profit each with good risk management. People are loving this. Guy down here does $23,000 with our 2 indicators in 1 single week. Guys, the membership for some of you guys is just pennies. This is where people are making their money. It's with the indicators. And it's with our membership. $6,310 trading with the indicators and the strategy on 88 and Solana. Okay, so when you guys are over here, snag this to watch what the whales are doing. Get into those trades, and this is a very good time to be looking to get into the scalping position. I don't want to get too many on here to overwhelm us, but we've got Solana that we're still managing. First buy limit has not been hit. You have quite a distance to still go to hit that first buy limit. So everyone's holding the first Solana trade in drawdown a little bit, just being honest with you guys. But there's 2 more buy limits. Buy limit 1 here and buy limit 2 that has not gotten hit yet. And then we've got Ethereum over here that basically this hasn't even entered in yet because I haven't published a video. So when I publish it, I will find exactly the price where it's at, and we will track this. Okay, guys? I wouldn't doubt if Ethereum sees a little bit more of a jump back up here, but do be prepared, guys, for your accounts to take probably a potential 20% drop lower than where it's at. Okay? Some of you guys are going to finally start using good risk management because you don't want to lose all your money for the 3rd time. I'm not trying to be rude, guys. I'm trying to be honest with you guys. You need to use our risk management. I don't see anyone on YouTube doing this. They're trying to get all their money into a single position, and they're not using good risk management. You are going to trick yourself and your emotions to say, oh, I know it's going up. I know it's going up. No, you don't. No, you don't. You do not know for a fact that this is going to go up. The only way to stay safe, guys, with your money, your spouse's money, your family's money, the money you've worked hard for, is to use some good risk management. And on all of our metrics here, every single one of these coins that you guys see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, Solana, VET, Matic, all of these you see here, guys, click into any of them. You're going to see that same chart over here. And you're going to see the risk management that we use. I give you guys all the buy limits and prices. Please start using these. These are at very strong supports. They're at very strong Fibonacci, they're at extensions and retracements, but the Fibonacci levels, we've got bank levels in here. Like, these are programmed mathematically with a algorithm to find the best places for you guys to get in with risk management and structure so you get the highest chance of a bounce around these areas. Use these to help you guys save your money and also get money back faster, because when you hit those levels and it bounces from those levels, you guys will make your money back quicker. Okay? I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Snag the indicators in the description, 82% off. Get the membership and enjoy the profits, guys. And this is a very good scalping entry, by the way. All right, guys. See you later. Everything you need is in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.